Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the CBS Sports app on your Amazon FireStick device step by step. If you're a fan of live sports, game highlights, breaking sports news, and exclusive coverage, then this app is definitely something you'll want on your FireStick. The good news is that CBS Sports is officially available on the Amazon App Store, which means you can install it directly without using any third-party apps or complicated steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is go to the home screen of your Amazon Fire Stick. Once you're on the home screen, move over to the menu at the top and select the Find option. After that, click on Search. This will open the search screen where you can type the name of any app available in the Amazon App Store. Now you'll see the on-screen keyboard appear on your TV. Using your Fire Stick remote, start typing CBS Sports. You don't even need to type the full name because as soon as you type a few letters like CBS, the app should start appearing in the search suggestions. When you see CBS Sports in the results, go ahead and select it. Next, you'll be taken to the app page inside the Amazon App Store. Here you'll see the official CBS Sports app icon, along with some information about the app such as screenshots, ratings, and a short description. To install the app, simply click the Download or Get button using your remote. The Fire Stick will now begin downloading and installing the app on your device. This process usually takes only a few seconds, depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download and installation are complete, you'll see the Open button appear on your screen. Go ahead and click Open to launch the CBS Sports app for the first time. You can also access the app later from your apps library, but for now we'll open it directly from here. When the app launches for the first time, you may see a welcome screen or a sign-in screen. In most cases, the app will ask you to sign in or activate your device. Go ahead and select the sign-in option. After clicking it, a unique activation code will appear on your TV screen. Now the next step requires a phone, tablet, or computer. Open the browser on your device and go to the official activation page by typing cbssports.com/firetv. Once the website loads, you may be asked to log in with your CBS account or your TV provider credentials, depending on the content you want to access. After logging in, you'll see a field asking for the activation code. Simply enter the same code that is currently displayed on your TV screen. Double-check that the code is entered correctly, and then click the Activate or Submit button. Within a few seconds, your Fire Stick screen should automatically refresh, and the CBS Sports app will now be fully activated on your device. That means you're ready to start exploring everything the app has to offer. Inside the app, you'll find live sports coverage, game highlights, sports news, analysis, interviews, and updates from various leagues and tournaments. If you ever want to open the app again later, it's very simple. Just press and hold the home button on your Fire Stick remote for a couple of seconds. A quick menu will appear on your screen. From there, select Apps, and this will show you all the apps installed on your Fire Stick. Scroll through the list until you find CBS Sports, click on it, and the app will launch instantly. You can also move the CBS Sports app to the front of your apps list if you plan to use it frequently. To do that, highlight the app icon, press the menu button on your remote, and choose Move. Then simply place it wherever you want in your apps row. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, installing the CBS Sports app on your Amazon Fire Stick is a very simple and straightforward process. Since the app is officially available in the Amazon App Store, you don't need to worry about complicated installations or third-party tools. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful Fire Stick tips, app tutorials, and streaming guides. Also, feel free to share this video with your friends or anyone who wants to watch sports on their Fire Stick device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.